Introducing a new pan-tilt-zoom security camera with only 2-minute installation time. Install this pan-tilt-zoom security camera is as easy as replacing a light bulb. It takes only 20 seconds to install the hardware, plus another 1.5 minutes to install the app to your phone. Just plug it to an ordinary light bulb base, wall outlet or power bar. It gets power directly from light base and wall socket. No electric, data wiring and battery are required. It can rotate 360-degree pan, 90-degree up and down with 4x zoom. All controlled by your mobile phone via internet. It works on any Android and Apple phones. With 1080p full high resolution and equipped with the 4 infrared lights and 4 white lights. It extends the night vision range up to 80 feet, allowing you to view and capture super clearly video day or night. To deter intruders, you can set the camera lights and/or alarm to turn on when human motion is detected. Or start two-way audio-video conversation with visitors and your family members via the built-in speaker and microphone. You can set to start recording and send alerts to your phone simultaneously when motion is detected. You can also turn on the automatic humanoid tracking to track and record human motion in front of the camera. For 24/7 non-stop recording, you can save the videos to the TF card in the camera, to your cell phone, or store it to optional cloud storage services. You can share your cameras with family, friends and other devices so that you can all access them simultaneously. Up to 8 views can be viewed concurrently. The night vision allows you to select between infrared night vision and white light night vision, making the monitoring picture more colorful and enriching your visual experience.